Hi, Timothy Unger here, and in this video I want to discuss the short int data type or short integer data type in C. So let's get started. I've included the header file, and let's get to my main function here. And within my main function, I'm going to have a short integer, and short integer values are between negative 32,768 and positive 32,000, or let's say 32,767. Okay, so we would use short ints if we have a small number. We need to store a small positive or negative number. Generally, what data type you want to use the data type that's stores the smaller amount if you can. Okay, so if I have a number that I know is not going to be that large, I could use a short int. So I'm going to say short int age. I'm going to declare this variable here, and then I'm going to say age equals 41. And I'm going to print f, say Dean's age at the end of supernatural is, then we'll do, to pass in a short int, we'll just do %d, and then we'll put a period and a /n for a new line, end my quotes, and just pass in age, close out my parentheses, put my semicolon, and then the end of this function will return 0. And then let's save our file. Let's open up a terminal and let's compile this. So we'll say gcc short int.c will output short int. Okay, and let's run it. And there we go. Dean's age at the end of supernatural is 41. That's basically it for short integers. Just making you aware of this data type. If you found this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. And I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.